Cloud computing is a model of computing that involves the delivery of on-demand computing resources over the Internet. It allows users to access and use a variety of services, such as servers, storage, databases, software applications, and more, without needing to have the physical infrastructure or technical expertise to manage them. Here's a simplified explanation of how cloud computing works. Infrastructure. Cloud computing providers maintain large data centers with a vast network of servers, storage devices, and networking equipment. These data centers are designed to provide high availability, scalability, and reliability. Virtualization. The resources in the data centers are virtualized, which means that they are abstracted from the underlying physical hardware. This virtualization allows multiple virtual machines, VMs, or containers to run on the same physical server, enabling efficient resource utilization. Service models. Cloud computing offers different service models to cater to different user needs. The main service models are A. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. It provides virtualized computing resources like virtual machines, storage, and networks. Users have control over the operating systems, applications, and configurations running on the provided infrastructure. B. Platform as a service, PaaS. It offers a complete development and deployment environment in the cloud. Users can develop, test, and deploy applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. The cloud provider manages the operating system, runtime environment, and middleware. C. Software as a service, SaaS. It provides ready-to-use software applications over the Internet. Users can access these applications using a web browser or an API without the need for installation or maintenance. The cloud provider manages the entire software stack. Deployment models. Cloud computing also offers different deployment models. A. Public cloud. Resources are owned and operated by a cloud provider and shared among multiple users and organizations over the Internet. B. Private cloud. Resources are dedicated to a single organization and may be hosted on-premises or by a third-party provider. It offers more control, security, and customization options. C. Hybrid cloud. It combines both public and private cloud resources, allowing organizations to leverage the benefits of both. It enables workload portability, scalability, and flexibility. Accessing the cloud. Users access cloud services through the Internet using a web browser, command line tools, or APIs provided by the cloud provider. They can provision, configure, and manage the resources based on their requirements. Scalability and elasticity. One of the key advantages of cloud computing is its ability to scale resources up or down based on demand. Cloud providers can allocate additional resources to meet increased demand and release them when they are no longer needed. This scalability ensures optimal resource utilization and cost efficiency. Data storage and management. Cloud computing provides various storage options, including object storage, block storage, and file storage. Data can be stored and accessed securely, and cloud providers often offer additional services like backup, disaster recovery, and data analytics. Security and reliability. Cloud providers implement robust security measures to protect data and resources. They employ encryption, access controls, network isolation, and regular security audits. They also ensure high availability and reliability through redundancy, data replication, and backup systems. Overall, cloud computing offers a flexible and cost-effective way to access and use computing resources. It has revolutionized the IT industry by enabling businesses and individuals to focus on their core activities without the need for significant upfront investments in infrastructure and maintenance.